Alright, so you've used your Unifix cubes, you've actually made this shape. And we have derived the formula. We took the shape, took it apart, and figured out how we could use the numbers 3, 4, and 5 to come up with our volume. So we came up with a formula. Volume equals length times width times height. Length times width times height is how you get volume of a rectangular prism. Now, what do we know the relationship is between a rectangle and a triangle? What is the relationship between a rectangle and a triangle? This goes all the way back to when we was finding the area. And we had to derive the formula for the area of a triangle. What did we come up with was the relationship? Alright, so let's go back. What's the formula for the area of a rectangle? Alright, so a rectangle is base times height. What's the formula for the area of a triangle? Mr. Lawson.
And something like that equals 1/2. Base times height.
Base times height. So a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So what was the relationship between every rectangle and every triangle? I got to multiply it. Well, what am I doing? This is base times height. Jade. It's always half of a rectangle. Always. So your triangle will always be 1/2 of a rectangle. So it's 1/2 of a rectangle. A triangle is 1/2 of a rectangle. Alright, so in order to find the rectangular prism, we said volume equals length times width times height. That's of a rectangular prism. So what do you think the formula is going to be for a triangular prism? Don't talk out. I want you to think. So for a triangular prism, Miss Lockett, what do you think? Length times width times height over 2. Alright, you need to make sure you have these 2 formulas. These are ones you have to memorize. You have to memorize the formula for the rectangular prism and triangular prism. So as long as you remember that a triangle is always half of a rectangle, you only have to memorize one.
page where we work our problems.
For the pretest, yes, so turn that in. Put pretest and turn it in. All right. Now, all right, your assignment is volume of solid shapes. This is your textbook. Here's your textbook. And you're doing problems 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 18. All right, it's right here on your agenda. Page 692 in the volume of solids book. Eight, 9, 11. Not 12. 13, 14, and 18. Eight, 9, excuse me. 8, 9, 11, 13, 14, and 18. I just worked 2.